Welcome back to our new recipe, grilled lamb kebab, cooked in the oven, served with grilled onions, parsley, and hot pepper paste. A twist from Happiness Kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. In a food processor, start by adding the onions, parsley, salt, and all the spices. If you don't have Italian herbs, you can add oregano. We start adding the meat gradually until the mixture is well combined. In a lined oven tray, we shape the meat portions into sausage shapes and place them onto the tray. Once all are done, then we cook them on a 180 degrees fan for 15 to 20 minutes or until well cooked. For the grilled onions, we shape the foil into rectangular pieces and wrap each onion separately. Once all is done, we place them onto an oven tray and cook them in the oven on 180 degrees fan for 25 to 30 minutes. On a serving plate, we put a tortilla wrap, spread it with some chili paste, and this is optional, and then we place the meat and the onions as seen in the video. On the side, we serve the kebab with some hummus, which will be available as a full recipe soon on our channel. Our dish for today is ready. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and for any suggestions, please pop them down in the comments box. Thanks for watching.